Good morning, everybody. I hope that you are all having a wonderful Friday and we'll have a wonderful weekend coming up. So today's video is actually going to be two parts. I am going to tell you who is the winner of our giveaway for the Crafty Meraki kit. That kit is so stunning. I read every single one of your comments and you are all so super sweet. You will see Andre in the background. I can't come in here and do a video without my posse. And so he may make noise or he just might sit in the chair and be quiet. You never know. So let's start with our winner. Let's just get the good stuff out of the way. I'm actually going to chit chat to you for quite a bit, I think, because I want to catch you up on some life stuff and some update stuff and all that goodies. All that good stuff. So I'm going to get the giveaway winner out of the way and then you can stop watching if you're uninterested in the rest of my life update. All right. So the winner of the Crafty Meraki kit is Zoe Garza. Congratulations, Zoe. I am so excited that you won, and you will find down in the description box a link and directions. I'm also going to reply to Zoe's comment. Just be aware that you need to claim this pretty quickly because otherwise you won't get your kit in time for the event. So if you know Zoe and she doesn't reply to me when I try to contact her, please, shake her up a little bit. Tell her she won. And there will be, for Zoe, there will be information in the description box on how you can contact me. And then I will get your retreat kit from Crafty Meraki out to you. And all that good stuff. Okay, so if all you want to know is who won the giveaway, there you go. Stop, bye, see you later. For those of you that want the life update, here it goes. Thing number one, make sure if you didn't win a kit that you grab one. I am going to post on my other social medias and here in the community the little graphic that tells you when you have to order your kit by, and I believe it to be Sunday or Monday. I think it's the 14th. You have to order your kit by the 14th. A note, I read all your comments. I have a couple things to say. First of all, if you are a new subscriber and a card maker and are just starting scrapbooking, I know I read that more than once. I am so excited that you're here because you have found the, in my humble opinion, most perfect channel because I do card making and scrapbooking. Hi, Logan. Bye, Logan. So I do both card making and scrapbooking, and I do a lot of card making or scrapbooking with card making supplies. So if you want to follow along with me and kind of transition from card making into scrapbooking, or you want to do both, this is like the most perfect channel for you. And the only thing you'll need if you have a lot of card making stash, the only thing really all you need is some 12 by 12 white cardstock, and you are good to go because you probably have everything else that you need in your craft room. Again, perfect channel for you. And I am so excited. I literally squealed every time I read a comment that said, I'm a card maker, but I'm going to dabble in scrapbooking and I'm coming to the event. And I'm like, yes. Okay, so that's the good stuff. You will find in the description box a link for the retreat kit. It is fabulous. There are lots of extras that are coming in the kit. And because the kit has things like dies, layered dies, there's like 2 paper pads, this will last you, right? It's not going to be a kit that you're going to use up because a lot of the products that are in it are not consumables. They're things like dies, which I adore, and stencils and, those kinds of things. So there are some consumable things, but there are also things that will add to your stash. And for those of you who are primarily scrapbookers and don't generally, don't use dies, and this happens to me a lot where I have comments and they're like, what dies do you buy for scrapbooking? Buy the kit, because the kit has amazing metal dies for scrapbooking, and I will use them over and over again. I promised you guys I will get you through the whole kit. Beyond the event, there will be one more project and video that I'm going to post before the event using the kit, and then that is going to use both the main retreat kit and the add-on kit, and then I will also have the instructor, the workshop in the event. Then I will have more because I don't like stash in my room. I like to keep things pretty, buy responsibly. That is my kind of go-to phrase for this year. Okay, so that's all the good stuff. Now, if you don't want a life update, you can stop now and go shopping, grab a retreat kit, come join me for the retreat. Use the link in the description box because that will help me out immensely. Okay, so let's talk about a life update. You probably may have noticed that the content on my channel has gone down a bit. My goal is for it to not go down a lot, but I have been diagnosed with pulmonary hypertension, which has now required lots of testing to see what that could be about. So they think it could be sleep apnea, I could have asthma, which seems so unlikely. And then treatment options. So I have lots of doctor's appointments right now, lots of testing appointments, let's figure out what's causing this. Let's just, everybody, hope that it's just sleep apnea, because then I just have to wear a little thingamajiggy when I sleep at night and everything will work itself out. That's the goal. That's what we want. Any other type of condition will require medication, and I take enough medication. Realistically, it's my autoimmune issues rearing their ugly head, and my autoimmune, my lupus has given me problems with my lungs before, so that's kind of a weak area with regards to my immune system, I guess. So realistically, my doctor says it's probably the autoimmune in your, but let's hope it's just sleep apnea. Okay. All right. So that's health stuff. If you see a little bit less on my channel, that's what's going on with that. Next thing, health stuff. Let's talk about social media for just a minute. So I have been trying super hard on the social media, right? So I've been messing with Facebook algorithms and Instagram algorithms, and you know what? I'm annoyed by all of them. I am annoyed by all of them. I'm not interested. The only place online that is making me happy right now is my YouTube channel. So, because I am dealing with all these health issues and stuff, I am going to start posting way more community type posts in YouTube. I've given up on the algorithms and the everything. It's ridiculous and I don't understand it. And there is not like a magic bullet, right? I can't, even with YouTube, there's no kind of, here, this is what you do to find success on YouTube. No. I tried it. I took a class. I paid for content in a class to try to, with YouTube, and it just didn't. Everything they told me to do, I did, and it didn't stick. So I give up. I don't know. Anyway, that being said, YouTube is my jam. I love it here. I love the community that I have created here. I love my channel. I love making videos, all that kind of stuff. So I am going to start using my YouTube a little bit more in the sense of posting things like picture, not necessarily content videos, that'll probably stay the same, or like I said, kind of go down a little bit, but community content, polls, questions, hello everyone, those types of posts will continue. And actually I plan on making those larger. Not so much with shorts, don't understand them, can't figure them out. We're done with that. With regard to content and YouTube, please consider a subscription. I do run a members only YouTube perks. I don't know if you know that or not. It's easy to join. It's $5 a month, $5, that's it. For the price of a Starbucks coffee, you can get tons more content. As soon as you join my YouTube perks, for those of you that are new to scrapbooking, when you join my YouTube perks, you get instant access to like 90 some videos. You get instant access to amazing classes on design, classes on aesthetics, classes, those types of subjects. There are video series on there. There's quilting series on there. There's tons of content. And you get it right away. As soon as you sign up, $5 a month, you have access to everything, which is fabulous. So, please, you know how like PBS would do their drives, right? They'd be like, you know, this is our fundraising drive. This is my fundraising drive because the doctor bills are going to come. Even with insurance, doctor bills are going to come. So this is like my fundraising drive video. Please consider a membership to my channel. And hitting the subscribe button and all those fun things. Super happy to have you here. So that's that. Okay, so hold on a second. I have to think here through the mental checklist of things I want to tell you. Crafting Meraki. Make sure you get your kit if you want one. Health stuff, icky stuff, membership, videos, sick of social media. I think that's it. Yeah. So that's where I'm at right now. I'm focusing on what social media and what creating I can get done right now is going to be focused on YouTube. I know it will be cross-posted on Instagram and Facebook, but it will also be posted on YouTube. And I'm not going to mess with algorithms anymore. I'm done. I'm done with algorithms. I'm over it. I can't. One day it's this, the next day it's that, and I've tried. I've tried subscriptions to tell me what to do, and I've done everything they've told me to do, and no. So that's where we are with that. And I'm over it. Let's see. National Scrapbook Day. If you are interested, want to know where I'll be for National Scrapbook Day, in addition to doing the Crafting Meraki Scrapbooker Social, the only other thing I'm really planning right now is to participate, possibly host a challenge with a cherry on top, and that's about it. I am saying no to a lot this National Scrapbook Day because I don't know where I will be or how I'll be feeling in those kinds of things. And I think that's it. I'm still an instructor and still teaching for Scrap Happy with Alice. We're talking about different things coming up there. I'm still doing part of the membership is all the videos for our unexpected inspiration set of prompts that we're working through. And I will have another video for that for my members coming up very, very soon. It's already filmed and shot and done. I just have to come back at it. I think that's it. That's all I have. I've chatted at you now for like 14 minutes. I think that's good enough, right? You're sick of looking at me by now. All right, everyone. Have a wonderful, creative, scrappy weekend. I am currently working on my recipe tag album and catching it up. As soon as that's done, that will be the next video that will be up on my channel. And I have a Maggie Holmes Monday coming up with awesome Crystal and another Crafty Meraki project. So we do have some things in the works. I just have to get the videos edited and get the voiceovers done, all those good things. Let's take a moment and tell Andre thank you, because he sat right there in Logan's chair silently all this time and just looked out the window. Fabulous boy. Such a good boy. Okay, talk to you all again soon. Bye.